Okay, just thought I'd do a video on basically it's a tool review really. Been out and ordered a new one-man brake bleeding kit. I've had a few kits up to now for bleeding brakes and clutches. Just want to been out and bought this. I haven't even opened yet, it's just turned up. I'm going to go through it and show you what it is. But it is a one-man brake bleeding kit. It's made by Sealey. Just unbox it. Let's see what it looks like. Ordered it through eBay as well. Well packaged, well protected. And this is what I've ordered. So it's a brake and clutch bleeding systems made by Sealey, model number VS820. I've been after one of these for a while. The kit I've got at the moment is a one-man jobby. This is what I use at the moment, and I use this, I've got a video for it, and I use it using air pressure from a tyre, which is great, does the job. I've done a video on it, there's a lot of people seeing it. The only problem is that I need a tyre to do it, which means getting out, emptying the boot, getting the tyre out, changing the PSI, and and linking it all up and everything. So I've done that for a while. Now I've come away from it, and I've got one of these. I can't, seen a few reviews on them. Looking forward to using it, and it looks like it's going to be so much more simpler of the system I use. So what it is, it comes in a box. Sealey VS820, that's the part number. I'm just going to undo the box, show you what it is. Comes with various fittings. This is it. This is what I've been looking for. Comes with instructions as well. Let's move that out of the way. And this is what it is. So basically, this is what it is. It enables me to link up straight to my. You obviously put the brake fluid in there. You link it up to your cylinder reservoir through this. Nice supple pipe, and it comes with one of these. The only problem I've got, I'm going to have to change this for my universal brake bleeder, which I've done a video on that already. I'll put a link at the end of the video. And it comes with a pump on it. It's got the PSI that you can use, which is normally a maximum of about 20 psi. And the idea is that you link it all up to your reservoir, put your brake fluid in, and pump it up until you get the desired PSI. So you pump it up like that. Obviously, when it's pump it a few times, and it gives you the desired PSI anyway. So normally what I'd use is a tyre. This has got its own pump. It says do not exceed 28 PSI. So when it's linked, obviously it won't at the moment because it's not airtight. But it looks pretty well made. Cost me £40, which was reduced. Well, the retail price said it was 100 and reduced to 40 quid. I've seen them as just as cheap at other places, but for 40 quid, it seems pretty well made. It's got a good connector on it as well. Looking forward to using it. I've got to change the brake fluid in my Honda this year. It's got a 2-year cycle, which I'm about ready to do. So I'm hoping this is going to be a bit more easy than using a tyre, just by being able to pump this up. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Seems pretty well made. Comes in a good box. Comes with only comes with one adapter. I thought it might have come with a few more. but I've got other adapters as well with my came with my other kit, my Sealey kit. So I've got quite a plethora of collection of brake bleeding kits now. So this is my new addition. Hopefully it's gonna do the job. But yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with it when I bleed my brakes with it, when I change the brake fluid. Hopefully this is a bit interesting for you, especially for DIYers, not for pros. Pros have got all the right equipment. For a DIYer, 40 quid, I'm going to get quite a bit of use out of this with bleeding my clutch and brakes on various cars of the family. So it'll definitely pay for itself. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. If not, tell me why. Subscribe to my channel, I've got quite a bit on there. It's my first year on YouTube, so still finding my way. Starting to improve some of the videos compared to my early ones. But if it's informative, then give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Thanks for watching.